Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to remove audio from a video on Canva. So let's assume we have a video already. Let's just choose a video here, and okay, let me choose a video with audio. Okay, let me choose this. Okay, so once we have something like this, we can click on the edit button here. Okay, this does not have, no, let me just upload a video that has audio. Okay, good, this video has an audio. Okay guys, you may not be able to hear it, but you can see the audio tools here. What you have to do is to click on the audio tools, then click on extract audio here. Once you click on extract audio, you can see it beneath here. You've successfully extracted the audio for this particular file, and you can either add a beat sync to it. You can enhance the production, you can fade it, or once you click on fade, you have fade in or fade out, and then you can increase the volume here. And that is how to extract an audio from a video on Canva. If this video has been helpful to you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving your comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Do have a great day.